Hello guys, good afternoon once again. I'm Architect Oliver and this is continuation of BP344 question, episode 2. BP344 is an act to enhance the mobility of disabled person by requiring certain buildings, institutions, establishments, and public utilities to install facilities and other devices na makakatulong sa ating mga disabled person. Okay, so episode 2 guys, I hope na makatulong to sa pag-review nyo. So let's start. Number 1, an act to enhance the mobility of disabled person by requiring certain buildings, institutions, establishments, and other public utilities to install facilities and other devices. A. BP344. B. PD957. C. BP220. D. RA9184. Answer? Of course guys, BP344 because this is our topic. Number 2, under BP344, which of the following is not considered as a special design element for accessibility? Again, under BP344, which of the following is not considered as a special design element for accessibility? A. Windows. B. Corridors. C. Doors and entrance. D. Drinking fountain or drinking foundation. E. Threshold. Answer? A. Windows. Number 4, air-conditioned buses shall have how many designated seats for disabled persons according to BP344? Again, air-conditioned buses shall have how many designated seats for disabled persons according to BP344? A. 5 seats. B. 6 seats. C. 2 seats. D. 4 seats. Answer? D. 4 seats. Number 6, passenger trains shall have how many designated seats for disabled person according to BP344? Again, passenger trains shall have how many designated seats for disabled person according to the BP344? A. 5 seats. B. 6 seats. C. 2 seats. D. 4 seats. Answer? B. 6 seats. Number 7, airplane shall have how many designated seats for disabled person according to BP344? A. 5 seats. B. 6 seats. C. 2 seats. D. 4 seats. Answer? C. 2 seats. Number 8, as per BP344, the minimum width of drop curb. Again, as per BP344, what is the minimum width of drop curb? A. 800 mm. B. 900 mm. C. 700 mm. D. 1000 mm. Answer? B. 900 mm. Number 9, as per BP344, drop curb shall be ramped toward adjoining curb with a maximum gradient of A. 1:20, B. 1:8, C. 1:12, D. 1:12, 1:10. Again, choices are A. 1:20, B. 1:8, C. 1:12, D. 1:10. Answer C. 1:12. Number 10. As per BP344, to prevent water from collecting at the walkway drop curbs shall be sloped towards to the road with a maximum cross gradient of, again, as per BP344, to prevent water from collecting at the walkway drop curb shall be sloped towards to the road with a maximum cross gradient of A. 1:20, B. 1:8, C. 1:12, D. 1:10. Answer A. 1:20. Number 11. Longer ramps whose gradient is more than the maximum shall be provided with a landing not less than, again, longer ramps whose gradient is more than the maximum shall be provided with a landing not less than A. 1.8 meter, B. 1.5 meter, C. 1.4 meter, D. 1.6 meter. Answer B. 1.5 meter. Number 15. As per BP344, in lengthy or busy walkways, spaces should be provided at some point along the route so that the wheelchair may pass another or turn around. These spaces should have a minimum dimension of blank and should be spaced at a minimum distance of blank between stops. A. 12 meter and 1.5 meter, B. 1.2 meter, 12 meter, C. 1.5 meter, 6 meter, D. 1.5 meter, 12 meter. Answer D. 1.5 meter, 12 meter. To complete the sentence, as per BP344, in lengthy or busy walkways, spaces should be provided at some point along the route so that a wheelchair may pass another or turn around. These spaces should have a minimum dimension of 1.5 meter and should be spaced at a maximum distance of 12 meter between stops. Next question. Number 17. Any ramp with a rise greater than 0.2 meter and leads down towards an area where vehicular traffic is possible should have a railing across the full width of its lower end from the foot of the ramp of a minimum how many meters from the foot of the ramp? Answer? A. 1.8 meter, B. 1.5 meter, C. 1.4 meter, D. 1.6 meter. Answer? A. 1.8 meter. Number 19. As per BP344, what is the preferred design for the stair considering users of crutches? Again, as per BP344, what is the preferred design for the stair considering users of crutches? A. Slanted tread, B. Right angle stair, C. open riser stair. D. Slanted nosing. Answer? D. Slanted nosing. 21. As per BP344, the minimum period for the steady green for pedestrian should not be less than A. 0.9 meter per second, B. 1.2 meter per second, C. 0.8 meter per second, D. 6 seconds. Answer? D. 6 seconds. Number 15. The flashing green period required for the disabled should be determined on the basis of walking speed of A. 0.9 meter per second, B. 1.2 meter per second, C. 0.8 meter per second, D. 6 second. Answer? A. 0.9 meter per second. 23. As per BP344, doors should be operable by a pressure or force not more than how many kilogram? Again, as per BP344, doors should be operable by a pressure or force not more than how many kg? A. 1 kilogram, B. 2 kilogram, C. 3 kilogram, D. 4 kilogram. Answer? D. 4 kilogram. 25. As per BP344, doors along major circulation routes should be provided with a kick plates made of durable material at the height of A. 0.2 meter to 0.3 meter, B. 0.3 meter to 0.4 meter, C. 0.15 meter to 0.25 meter, D. 0.35 meter to 0.45 meter. Answer? B. 0.3 meter to 0.4 meter. 28. Accessible elevators should be located from the entrance and should be easy to locate with the aid of sign of not more than A. 60 meter, B. 30 meter, C. 45 meter, D. 15 meter. Answer? B. 30 meter. 82. As per BP344, sign on walls and doors should be located at a minimum height of A. 1.6 millimeter, rather 1,600 millimeter, B. 1,200 millimeter, C. 1,400 millimeter, D. 1,500 millimeter. Answer? C. 1,400 millimeter. 30. As per BP344, sign on walls and doors should be located at the maximum height of A. 1,600 millimeter, B. 1,200 millimeter, C. 1,400 millimeter, D. 1,500 millimeter. Answer? A. 1,600 millimeter. 32. As per BP344, minimum clear width of ramps. Again, as per BP344, what is the minimum clear width of ramps? A. 1.1 meter. B. 1.2 meter. C. 1.3 meter. D. 1.4 meter. Answer? B. 1.2 meter. 34. As per BP344, the maximum height of water closet. Again, as per BP344, what is the maximum height of water closet? A. 400 mm. B. 350 mm. C. 550 mm. D. 450 mm. Answer? D. 450 mm. 35. As per BP344, handrails will be provided on both sides of the ramp at the height of A. 0.7 meter and 1.10 meter from the ramp level. B. 1 meter and 1.2 meter from the ramp level. C. 1 meter and 0.9 meter from ramp level. D. 0.9 meter and 0.9 meter from ramp level. Answer? D. 0.7 meter and 0.9 meter from ramp level. 36. As per BP344, what is the minimum depth of central refuge? Again, as per BP344, what is the minimum depth of central refuge? A. 2,000 mm. B. 1,400 mm. C. 1,200 mm. D. 1,500 mm. Answer? D. 1,500 mm. 38. A level area should be provided at the top and bottom of any ramp and not less than A. 1.8 meter. B. 1.5 meter. C. 1.4 meter. D. 1.6 meter. Answer? A. 1.8 meter. 40. Turnabout spaces should also be provided at or within of every dead ends within A. 10 meter at every dead end. B. 6 meter at every dead end. C. 12 meter at every dead end. D. 3.5 meter at every dead end. Answer? D. 3.5 meter at every dead end. 44. Signage leveling public rooms and places should have a rate symbol, letters or numbers with a minimum height of. Again, signage leveling for public rooms and places should have a rate symbol, letters or numbers with a minimum height of A. 1 mm. B. 3 mm. C. 2 mm. D. 3.5 mm. Answer? A. 1 mm. 45. What is the minimum clear level space to be provided before and extending beyond the door as per BP344? Again, what is the minimum clear level space to be provided before and extending beyond a door as per BP344? A. 1.2 by 1.2 meter. B. 2.5 by 1.5 meter. C. 1.5 by 1.5 meter. D. 2.7 by 1.2 meter. Answer: C. 1.5 by 1.5 meter. 46. As per BP344, entrances with vestibule shall be provided a level area with at least A. 1.8 meter depth and 1.5 meter width. B. 1.2 meter depth and 1.5 meter width. C. 1.5 meter depth and 1.8 meter width. D. 1.5 meter depth and 1.2 meter width. Answer: A. 1.8 meter depth and 1.5 meter width. 77. In order to aid visually impaired person to readily determine whether a washroom is for men or for women, the signage for women's washroom doors shall be A. Equilateral triangle. B. Square. C. Circle. D. Ellipse. Answer: C. Circle. 54. In order to aid visually impaired person to readily determine whether a washroom is for men or for women, the signage for men's washroom door shall be A. Equilateral triangle. B. Square. C. Circle. D. Ellipse. Answer: A. Equilateral triangle. 55. As per BP344, flush control should have a maximum height of A. 1,200 mm. B. 1,250 mm. C. 1,300 mm. D. 1,350 mm. Answer: A. 1,200 mm. 57. To be installed before hazardous areas such as sudden changes in floor levels and at the top of and bottom of stairs. Special care must be taken to ensure the proper mounting of adhesion of tactile strip so as not to cause accidents. A. 0.45 wide tactile strips. B. 0.4 wide tactile strip. C. 0.3 wide tactile strip. D. 0.5 meter wide tactile strip. Answer: C. 0.3 meter wide tactile strip. Okay guys, thank you very much again for watching this video, BP344 episode 2. I hope na nakatulong to sa pagre-review nyo. And good luck guys, and I hope makapasa kayo sa board exam.